Harmony and welcome back to my channel. So today I am in calendars, games, and toys. So today we're just gonna look around in the store.
We heard there was squishies here, so.
Oh, here's the Rubik's section. My brother is like into Rubik's Cube.
Yes, he's been very into Rubik's
Cube.
Cube.
Like a coin purse.
Oh look, it's like a squishy. It's very
like
dense.
Foam. Whoa, this one has a hole in it. The void.
The void?
There's a 2x2, a question mark,
a twist.
Look, it's
oh my gosh.
Oh, that's slow rising.
That is very slow rising.
How much is it?
Oh, it's $7. That's not bad.
Oh, I'm gonna get this. Okay, so over here we have like these random toys, so I'm gonna look.
Ooh.
What is this?
You've cut up some of these.
This is dense.
It's the things you've cut up, right?
I think we cut up this one. I'm pretty.
It's like the poop in the unicorn.
I forgot what we cut up. Because we have so much videos. Oh, here's the unicorn.
Oh my gosh, wait.
At the glitter.
Down here.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. There's like a mango. Oh, that's nice. Here's all this. There's an owl.
There's the unicorn.
And then a dragon fruit. There's a really flat post. Dragon fruit.
Okay, so.
Also
oh my
over
gosh.
Here, we have more
avocado.
Oh my gosh, look at
that avocado is adorable.
It's a dino. It's a triceratops.
Oh my gosh, they have so many new squishies. Did you see the avocado? The avocado squishy is really cute. It's got a little face.
It's adorable.
Oh,
it's a triceratops. Oh my gosh, look at the strawberry. Is that a pickle? It's a pickle. It's a pickle.
Oh my goodness.
Oh look, here's all the ones you can get.
Oh wow.
It's a pickle. And then there's a
this
unicorn.
is the new kind, the new one. Oh, and there's a llama. Is that a llama?
It's a pink strawberry. It's a little llama. Okay.
It's a chocolate drizzled. And what is this?
Oh, it's a dino.
Oh wait, did you see that at Walgreens?
Yeah, I did.
What is this?
Is that a macaroni? It's a macaroni.
No way.
Wait.
It's a macaroni cheese.
Oh, look at it. It's a french fry.
These are so cute.
Adorable. Watermelon. Cookie. Okay, how much are they, guys? How much are they? Any prices?
Yep, that is it.
Oh, so they're $8.99 each.
Let's see, which...
This one's so cute.
I know.
They're all really cute. She gets,
so cute.
I don't know. Look at the macaroni. Yeah. Are you getting the Rubik's Cube?
Yeah. I really don't know which one to get. I think I want to get the avocado. Where is the avocado?
Oh, the avocado, yeah.
That one
I agree.
Adorable.
That's so cute. I don't think you have an avocado squishy.
I don't.
Like, you have like 500 squishies and no avocado.
Look, it's a 1x1 Rubik's Cube.
Ooh, that's hard.
That's so hard.
I know. I bet Paxton's gonna get stumped.
What is that?
It's so squishy. Like not like so rising, but like.
And you can feel like hardness right here.
Really?
Where the eye,
yeah, that's.
Yeah, where the eyeball is. It's like super hard there. Are these
Yeah, the unicorn.
pooping unicorn?
Yeah, whoa, what is this?
Mars mud.
Glow in the dark.
Poopy flat ball.
Whoa. The poop look angry. Season 2. And then here's the season 1 and the season 2 big one.
Medium size.
Or the medium.
No, the big ones are big.
I know, they're like this
You
big.
still have a few you haven't opened.
Yeah.
What are these? Look at these miniature ones. They're so cute. Oh, unicorn erasers.
And then
Are
a
those
bunch of
erasers?
little, yeah, those are little erasers.
Is that a McDonald's cup?
It's a shake.
Are those
I
erasers?
want a milkshake now. Yes, I think they are.
Lost kitties. What are lost kitties?
Who's hidden? Who's hidden inside? Oh, these are heavy. Collect 36 to collect. Oh, 36 to collect in 2018.
Thank you.
So, it comes with a Lost Kitten figure, 2 accessories, shaping compound, meme sticker, and collector sheet.
It's weird how it doesn't want to focus.
There's a meme sticker in there? What? Should I try it?
I don't know.
I kind of want to try
Well,
it.
how much are they? $6?
Not bad. Gudetama keychains.
Keychain?
Steven Universe.
Okay. Are those keychains?
I think
And
there's
there's-
action figures.
Hey, what's this Dr. Seuss stuff?
What? Whoa. Oh, you can get like all the Dr. Seuss characters.
Oh.
So we have more fidgets. Squidgets.
Well,
have
the
a
other,
heart.
yeah, that's the fidget
I love
squidget
you.
brand.
Here we have a
Mango. And there's
And
some
then a
grapes. What's in the back? Just mangoes and grapes.
Yes, mango grapes. Alright guys, so over here we found the super elastic bubble plastic. It's where you blow the bubble and it's like, it doesn't pop easily unless
Yeah.
you like,
It's a huge Instagram thing right now.
Yeah.
People literally
seen a lot
just
of
blow a bunch of them and then,
crunch it. It's really satisfying.
really? You gonna try that?
Hold on.
Ah,
And
that
it's
hurts.
also a scene on TV
Yeah.
from the makers of Wubble Bubble.
And I've seen this at like the Dollar Tree, but I don't know if it's any good because
I think we tried it and it didn't really work as
it doesn't stay.
good. Yeah, it doesn't
It
blow.
literally pops like
In
immediately.
this picture, I'm not sure if it's real. But look how big the bubble is.
That's over exaggerated, but you could try. You can open up the Lost Kitties. Show you guys what's inside.
Here is the collection.
This is the
It's very windy out here.
yeah. So it's really windy outside. We're on the
Is that
coast. We're on the Oregon coast. That's why it's so windy here.
Oh, look.
Oh my! Oh, is that what the Lost Kitten is? It's just a box of clay.
No, it's in the clay.
Oh, it's in the clay. You get to find it in the clay. I don't know. It's called Lost Kittens. Lost Kitties.
Interesting. Good like Play-Doh.
So what? Where's your kitties?
I don't know. Oh, it's in a bag.
What?
Hold on. Oh, I just. Oh.
Put on the table. Okay, your kitty's really lost. Your kitty's really lost in there. Let me help you dig him out.
Alright, close. Here's the bag. Oh, I still can't get it out.
Here, let me try.
Wait,
Oh, there you go.
wait.
There's other
It's a
stuff.
mouse. Oh,
What is that?
a saxophone.
Oh my goodness. Okay, does it go with the Lost Kitty inside the bag?
Let me pick all
No,
this.
no, we don't have time to pick up stuff. Can you please open it? What is this?
That's a mouse.
Oh, I thought you were talking about like a real mouse.
No, no.
Oh, okay, so you got a blue kitty right here. Here's your
What I got?
collector's card guide.
I got Professor Perkins.
It's a professor. And who's got? Saxophone?
Oh my gosh.
Goodness. Oh yeah, the meme. And then it comes with the meme. What is it?
Can't see. We need. Oh, it's a mouse.
I thought you said it was a
More
mouse.
milk. We need more milk.
We need more milk. That's the meme. What's the picture look like?
We need
The
some
picture is
milk.
what, like?
The Professor Perkins.
Oh. So his meme is we need more milk? All right. We have more of these Squishmies.
Wish me. We have Five Nights at Freddy's.
What's that white one? I haven't ever seen the white one.
What?
The Squish Me that's in a white cube. What is that?
This is just pizza.
It's a pizza box?
Yeah.
Is that the Five Nights one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's the one I have not ever seen.
Yeah, I haven't seen it either.
Right? It's the first time I've seen that.
Oh, here's Carl.
Is that the one you haven't seen before?
Cupcake. Chica holds the cupcake, which is I don't play Five Nights at Freddy's anymore. We have these exploding kittens. I've never seen. I don't know if this is like a
It's a card game.
Oh, it's a card game.
Yeah, it's a card game.
I didn't know if it was like a episode or something.
Okay, so you want to show them what you're getting today? Pokemon cards? Do you want to show them what you're getting?